Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a stop loss in Active Trader Pro. So the very first step that you need to do is to log in to Activate Trader Pro. So from here, just enter your user ID, the password, and log in. Next is to open the trade ticket. So in the trade tab, usually top menu, from here you will see the trade. So click trade to open the trade ticket window. So from here, it's from here. So you just have to click on this one. And then after that, just choose your account and symbol. So select the correct trading account if you have more than one, and then type the ticker symbol for the security that you want to place a stop on. Next is to specify action. So you can select sell for a stop loss on a long position, or for a short position you would buy to cover. So it depends on you, just have to specify the action. Next is to select the order type. So from the order type drop down, choose the stop loss. So a stop market order, which converts to a market order once the stop price hits, or stop limit. So you can set both the trigger price and the limit price. So you must be aware it may not fill if the price caps below your limit. Next is to enter the quantity. So from here, just have to enter. So specify how many shares that you want to protect. Next is to enter the stop price. So time force, also the time force. So choose the day. So this one, it expires at the end of the trading session. And the GTC, or the good till canceled. So it remains active until you cancel it or it expires. So Fidelity's GTC orders remain active up to 180 days, or the 180 calendar days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!